Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily delete your Nintendo account. If you don't want to use your Nintendo account and you'd like to delete yourself from the service, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in nintendo.com in it. Once you end up in the official homepage of Nintendo, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, from the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on your name. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Nintendo Account Overview. Once you do that, you'll open up this profile section. From here, click on Account Settings at the top. And now, from this page, go to the Privacy and Other Settings button on the left-hand corner. Scroll all the way down from the menu and you'll see the Delete Account button. Before proceeding to delete an account, first of all, remember that the account deletion is permanent, and then deleting your account will let you lose purchased games and DLC, Nintendo eShop balances, save data backups, My Nintendo points, and online subscription. If you're sure you'd like to delete the service, click on Delete Account and follow the instructions. Go through the information first and then click on Deactivate and Delete. After you do that, you'll be able to delete your Nintendo account permanently. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.